Right, here we are and we're back. And I have all the ingredients ready for you and my lovely assistant's going to help us. We're going to start with the meat, a pot on the stove and the meat. Now that's how many kilos, Greg?
1.4.
1.4, which is 2 hours cooking time.
Yes.
And Greg's going to put it in the pot. Now it's a very fresh corn Silverside. And it's been patted dry, and he's going to now cover it with water, just enough to cover the top. Now we're using water from Woolworths, aren't we, or Coles?
Coles.
Because it's been raining here and the tanks, not going to use the tanks at the moment. Because we get water from the tanks. We're going to use water from Coles. Okay, next is half a cup of apple cider vinegar. That goes straight into the pot. 2 onions, small or 1 large. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 2 to 3 bay leaves, fresh from your tree, and some peppercorns, maybe 8 to 10, and we can put them in. Now we're going to turn it on. And it's on high. Now we're going to let that boil, and when it boils, we're going to simmer it for 2 hours and not touch it.